Hey, it's Dan, and it's Ain't No April Fool. What is this? Day 21, I believe. Only a few days left of the 30-day challenge. I wanted to revisit an idea that I shared with you just 2 days ago, actually. Don't spend it if you can't track it. I wanted to expound on that because I had a meeting with a prospective client recently, and they wanted to work on a new website. And in that meeting, you know, always go toward strategy, and it asked, what's driving the reason for a new website. And the response I got was just that they wanted to slap a new paint of code on it. Or, sorry, I said that in reverse, a new coat of paint on the website. And, I tried to drive a little deeper, did it have to do with sales or leads? Was the website not performing right now? And I mean, I learned that they were hitting all of their goals. They were within their sales goals. They weren't looking to shift any outcomes more toward web or mobile or anything. They were attracting, the customers they needed to attract. And so I was really confused as to why they needed to, spend money on the website. And aside from, there are reasons to update a website design, and I'll probably go into that in another video and another blog post. But if you don't have any goals as to why you want to update your website, it's no different than don't spend on it if you can't track it. Because if you don't know why you're updating the website, you don't know what to judge it against. You don't know if it's a success. You don't know how to gauge the outcome of that project. And so basically, it's no different than what I said the other day. Basically, you're just throwing money at art. And I don't think that's what we're in business to do. Whether you're for profit or nonprofit, we're here to drive some sort of result. And we just want to make sure that we have some goal in mind before we jump in and just do these projects because, we haven't redone the website in 5 years. So let's just spend money on it. No, there has to be some reason. It's we want to drive more mobile outcomes. We want to redo this website because we want to have a focus more on subscriptions as we're going into a content strategy. And we want that website to help us with the content strategy and SEO. So having these goals in mind will really help you gauge whether the project is a success, whether a new website is valuable and is doing what it's supposed to be doing. And not only that, it's actually going to be a big benefit to the consultants that you work with and the web designers as to what you're trying to accomplish, because it really actually helps inform the design and the build and how it's going to work. So I hope that kind of explains a little bit better what I was getting at with don't spend on it if you can't track it in regards to projects like web design. And, really thank you for joining me today. You have any comments, just leave them below. Let me know, what your website is for. What's the big major goal that your website is trying to accomplish? Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks.